how to submit control panel form from RSS redONE form. On your RSS interface, kindly click sign in. Key in your username and password and click sign in. Once you sign in, kindly go to your redONE form. Click on redONE form. And you're able to see the control panel form. To request a supplementary ID, you need to select the control panel form. These are the control panel application form. On part A, partner details column, you need to select the partner tier. Continue with the region details. Once done, please key in your partner ID sales code. Continue with your company name, authorized name, and authorized mobile number. Once done, go to B column, select your supplementary ID to be created. If you just wish to have only one supplementary account, kindly key in your request. If you wish to request all the sub ID account, kindly key in all the columns. Once done, scroll down, go to your partner declaration, and partner are needed to be signed on this column. If an incorrect signature, kindly click on the X icon and kindly resign again. Once done, on column C, partner shop details, the partner details, channel manager name, partner's ID and region will be auto-populate based on partner login access. Once done, you can click Save Form or Submit Form. If you click Save Form, continue to click OK. OK again. The form will be auto-saved on your draft list for 7 days. To retrieve your form, kindly go back on draft list, select your application form, click on this icon, recheck on your application form, and continue to click Submit Form. Continue to click OK. OK again. And the ticket will route to our partner activation team.